The German parliament has approved the purchase of 4 Patriot missile defense units. The new acquisition includes additional PAC-3 MSE missiles. The Patriot PAC-3 is a long-range all-altitude all-weather missile defense system which can destroy targets at distances between 20 and 35 kilometers. It is equipped with an active radar seeker allowing it to track and engage targets autonomously. A new heavy infantry fighting vehicle based on T-72 main battle tank platform has been spotted in Russia. The emergence of this new IFV underscores Russia's continued efforts to enhance its armored vehicle fleet in response to modern warfare demands. The U.S. has transferred C-130H Hercules military transport aircraft to Botswana as part of $30 million gift to the African nation. The Hercules plane is expected to bolster Botswana's ability to conduct defense, humanitarian and emergency response missions. The Russian defense industry has taken a significant step with introduction of new anti-drone defense system called Barrier. This system utilizes Aerostat technology, commonly known as barrage balloons, to counter unmanned aerial vehicles. The balloon can reach maximum altitude of 300 meters, allowing substantial vertical coverage, creating an effective barrier against low-flying drones.